In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a method on how to get free V-Bucks in Fortnite. This method is literally insane, and it's the only legit method working out there as of right now. So if you guys watch this whole entire video, I can guarantee you guys can get V-Bucks. And there's no limit on this. You can get as much V-Bucks as you guys want. It's crazy, guys. And you guys can get tons of these skins in the item shop every single day. But without further ado, let's get straight on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so go into the item shop and use the supported creator code FCYT and put this in around every 2 weeks. And now let's proceed with the steps. Alright guys, so exit out of Fortnite because obviously we're not going to be using that to actually get the V-Bucks today. So what you guys want to do is open up your browser and go on to the link of the description. Or you don't have to open up the browser, but just click on the link of the description, and then there's going to be a bit.ly link. Once you see that link, press that link. It's going to take you to this linkvertise link right here. So the first button that you want to press is subscribe on YouTube. So subscribe to myself on YouTube and then press subscribe, and then go back, wait around 15 seconds for this to gray out. As you guys see, if you guys are already subbed, don't unsubscribe, it will just confuse it. Just go on it, and then it will recognize that you are already subscribed, and then go back on it, and it will wait 15 seconds, and then it will unlock it. So then go on the second process, which subscribe to my friend Shadow, yes sir, and then go back on here, and then wait another 15 seconds. Obviously if you already subscribed to him, just wait 15 seconds and then come back on here, and it's going to recognize that you actually subscribed. So once that process is done, just press unlock link, as it will unlock right now, and it's going to take you to this linkvertise right here. So just press I'm not a robot, and then press free access with ads, and then press discover interesting articles. Wait around 15 seconds and then close this tab out, and then go discover related topics, click any of these, and then close this out, and then close this out, and then go continue to Fortnite Dev. And then you guys want to go on to the download Fortnite Dev. Obviously this isn't Fortnite Dev, but this actually redirects you to the linkvertise, which is the Beacons AI link. As you guys see, we'll see in a moment. So double click and then run that as an administrator, and then press next, skip all, and then open. So as you guys see, this is obviously not Fortnite Dev. The linkvertise is just called Fortnite Dev, but please don't confuse it. If you guys want Fortnite Dev, you guys can turn notifications because I do upload those daily. But for this specific tutorial, we're just going to be doing V-Bucks. So once you guys are on this page right here, there's going to be tons of links. If you guys are confused, for this specific tutorial, it's going to be V-Buck method. So you want to click the first method, which is V-Buck method. So click on that and press I'm not a robot, and then go on free access ads. It's going to take you to the same process. So wait on this site for around 15 seconds or 5 seconds, sorry, and then close this out, and then discover related topics, click any of these, and then go back onto here, close this out, and then continue to free V-Bucks link. And then you want to go on to the download free V-Bucks, press save, and then double click on this. Then you guys want to press yes. Once you run it as an administrator, press next, skip all, and then press open. This is going to open Microsoft Rewards, and if you guys aren't already signed in into your account, make sure to sign into your account. Basically with this, you guys can unlock your free V-Bucks, so make sure to keep watching. And if you guys are still watching, comment W and I'll heart your comment. I want to see which of my viewers are actually the real ones and support me and watch my videos all the way this through. And then once you guys are here, you guys just want to see all. There's going to be a bunch of daily sets. So make an account. If you already have an account, sign into that account. And then once you guys are here, you guys want to go on to any of these and then just click. As you guys see, I already did a daily poll, but we can do this one for 10 points. So click this one, and then it's going to ask for a Bing Entertainment quiz. So this is, I know nothing about Stranger Things, but we're going to do this one. And I'm completely guessing, guys, but you guys want to rush through these real quick. And then once you guys rush through those, I got that one correct actually. So just rush through those. I got that one correct. Just rush through these. And then once you guys have got that, you guys, as you guys see, you get rewarded 10 points. So we already have 30 points. We actually have 40 points now. So with this, guys, you guys can unlock gift cards. So if you guys go on to the redeem next to the earn, you guys can actually use your points and redeem gift cards. Now you may be asking, well, where is the V-Buck gift card? As you guys see, if you search up Fortnite, nothing shows up. But if you search up, but with this, guys, you guys can actually get any of these gift cards, like an Xbox gift card, and then you guys can use that to actually go on Fortnite and redeem it. You guys can do this on Xbox, console, PS4, basically anything, as long as there's actually a gift card to do it. I actually don't know if you can do this on PS4. The only method that I could actually think of, if you guys want to do this on PS4, is you guys could probably go on to the Amazon and actually redeem an Amazon gift card, and then you guys can buy a digital code from there. So if you guys are on PC, you guys can buy an Amazon gift card, and then you guys can go onto the Amazon website and actually buy a digital code. As you can see, these are the daily rewards from here, but there is a whole bunch of more activities that you guys can do to get more rewards. For example, there's a whole bunch of activities that you guys can do right here. For example, the supersonic quiz, you guys can answer 3 questions, you guys can earn 30 points. This is definitely cool. So start playing. So we're just gonna go on that one, that one, that one, that one, and then that one. And yeah, guys. So we got 4 out of the 5 correct. And there you guys go. We got 10 out of 30 points just there. And there's gonna be another one. So this one, maybe this one, this one. I'm completely guessing, guys. I have no idea what I'm actually doing. And then 20 points right there. And last one. My guessing game is insane. Okay, maybe not. But there you guys go. 30 out of 30 points. We go back on here. And we already got 70 points. So yeah, it's pretty easy. You guys can definitely take advantage of this. You guys can get as much V-Bucks as you want. But yeah, guys, it's going to be the end of today's video. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. It's been your boy Radius. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.